Hello friends, I am Kesav Murthy. I am an HR cum educational consultant. In this video, we look at a test called JAM test. JAM test. JAM refers to Joint Admission Test. This test is conducted by IITs and the Indian Institute of Science Bangalore together to admit the students for MSc courses and then integrated MSc and PhD courses. So MSc courses admission takes place in IITs and IISc admits only PhD, integrated PhD courses. So now what is this test is all about? The presently students who are studying in the UG, particularly in the science stream, that is physics, chemistry, statistics, economics, maths, in those biotechnology, biochemistry, microbiology, in those areas people who are studying in colleges, they are eligible to apply. When they are in the third year, they can apply. They have to start preparing for this particular exam from second year onwards, right? There are 20 IITs and they offer so many courses in MSc, so they can get admission into MSc courses through this particular exam, right? It is an online exam. It is a computer based test, so it is an online exam. So MCQs will be there, multiple choice questions are there. So there are 7 tested areas. One is people can write the biotechnology area, or people can write this test in maths area, physics area, chemistry area, geology area, mathematical sciences is another separate area, and then economics. So they can write this test in one of these areas. Now you can find these information in this particular sheet. Now let us look at what are the MSc courses they can join in IITs once they clear this particular exam. They can join MSc courses in maths, physics, chemistry, maths and computing is another MSc course. Atmosphere and ocean science is another course. MSc geology, applied geophysics is another course. Applied statistics and information is another course. And MSc astronomy, MSc nuclear medicine, MSc medical physics, and MSc molecular medical biology. These are the MSc courses for which they can take admission in IITs, right? So normally the application is in January, the exam takes place in February, the result will come in June, July, and the admission takes place in August, September. This year, because of pandemic, admission may take place in September, okay? So if you want to write this exam, if you want to know more details about this exam, you can go to their website. It is www.jam.iisc.ac.in. Okay, what else we can do with this test? If you clear this test, then you can directly join dual MSc PhD programs in IITs and integrated PhD programs in Indian Institute of Science. So these are the two, 20 IITs and IISc is the most reputed colleges in India. So the students who have joined, who could not join IITs at the UG level, they normally aim at this particular exam and then go and join IITs at the PG level. People who could not join BE, BTech or MSc integrated courses after their completion of their higher secondary through JEE, they go to UG course in some college, and for the PG course they aim at IITs through this particular exam. I wish all the students who watch this particular video get through in this jam and then take a seat in IITs and clear their course successfully. No, thank you. You can see this sheet with some more information on this exam. I hope this video is useful to you. In case it is useful, you can share this to your friends and you can subscribe to our channel. Our subscription is free of cost. You can subscribe to the channel so that you will get notifications of our other videos in future days to come. Thank you once again.